if I'm at a company, I have a day-to-day job and I'm sitting at a desk, and let's say I already try to use ChatGPT or other, AI products. What is Swirl going to do for me, today, tomorrow, but also a year from now?
Great question. Today, when you're using ChatGPT, if you're allowed to, you're probably copying and pasting from internal data as you try to educate ChatGPT. This is the problem I'm trying to solve. This is my business context. Once you've deployed Swirl, you'll just ask the question, and then you'll be able to optionally verify the documents that you want to send. Maybe you'll say, I don't want you to send this, or I do want you to send that. And you're going to get back that response so that you're going to know immediately, I have what the basis for this is for. And it's going to take much less time, much less copying and pasting. Over time, you're going to actually end up in a conversation with your generative AI. It's going to be intermediated by Swirl, which will be fetching the newest data every time your question has some relevant change, some new update. And then you might get a WhatsApp message back, or maybe it'll be a tweet or a message on your SMS message, a cell phone message. Maybe it will be a Microsoft Teams message updating you, telling you what you need to know. And we're going to switch from asking AI to listening to AI. And Swirl is all about making sure sensitive corporate data is able to be used safely and compliantly so that you get that benefit.
So I'm more efficient and productive, but also adhering to the proper standards.
Absolutely. I mean, we all have to follow security standards. We all have to follow, compliance routines, obviously, especially in regulated industries. And part of that is staying with the security models that are out there, taking advantage of AI and damaging some of the most important parts of a company, accidentally exposing internal employee data. Those are things that the government takes a dim view of, not to say the least about employees. You could be offsetting the benefit that you're getting from AI in fines, right, if you're not managing the data correctly. It's not easy to be a large enterprise, right? You have to fend off competitive threats from AI. You have to figure out how to use it safely and compliantly. You have to delight your customers and your employees. And the companies that do those things well and quickly will be the ones that are the unicorns of the future.
We've covered a lot of topics. Is there anything else you want to add?
I'll say this. I've been thinking about the tab problem for a long time because I suffer it every day, like you. I'm not sure that anybody's going to go solve the tab problem with a search box. I think the antidote to the tab problem is smarter and smarter and more interactive AI. Because when you can talk to an AI that knows all about your business, every silo, you'll never go back. It's the only answer. And I think that's the real promise of generative AI, is an end to silos and the beginning of 100% insight consumption as opposed to applications.